This is a first generation Nepros kit by KTC. First generation after they changed the name from Mirror Tool, and they started getting heard more about over in the West. And got this 3/8 ratchet and 1/4 inch body, long handle, the NBRC390L. There's newer ones out now with the A and the part number. So this is a 5.5 through 24 kit. Here's like a precision bolt, the 24mm head wrenching. The .008 feeler gauge is pretty tight in there, or 0.203mm. The 006 or 0.152mm freely passes in and out. So very good clearances. It's very smooth.